Order sub order or, order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey, morning, fam.
I see you entered that 38, I mean that 61-8 trade. You
Yeah,
kind of you kind of front ran.
I was
You-
green, but it turned red. It ended up being a red day.
Dang, I took the same trade, but I won. I won like 150 per times 60 count. But see, this is how I won. I was looking at your screen when you entered, and I didn't enter right there. I wanted it to front run it. I mean, I wanted it to back run it a little bit, so I waited till price peaked above 61.8, way over above 61.8.
Mm-hmm.
And then I entered and it dropped all the way down to like 793. I took like a 40 some point trade.
Oh, nice, nice.
But yeah, like, but I went with three micros. But I seen you entered, and I seen
like 851 or so.
it was it was 850. It was 852, matter of 850 something in there. But like I said, I saw when you entered the trade, and I see that it peaked past and hit your stop. And then I went ahead, I entered. I said, yeah, I'm gonna go and wait. I'm so glad that I didn't just place it straight at the 61.8.
Yeah.
Because man, it had it ran way past it. Because I figured the institutions were gonna try to play games and run past it before it give it a little back trace.
See, on days like this, where like throughout the night session, we ran all the way down. Like right now, I always put my 61.8 because there's times where we just hit the 61.8. Wouldn't even have any withdrawal down. We just boom. And
Boom, just yeah.
today was a losing day, but it works very. So far, it works very beautiful. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's how it is. It's a
on, y'all?
strategy, you know. Some days are gonna work, some days are not. What up with it, Lou?
What's
Hey,
going on?
family.
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro, you're right, man. It took the loss today, but that's part of it. Like it don't win every day, but when for me, I'm like it wins more often than not. So I think it's a good time to put on some risk, especially as you said, when we was just dumping down hard all night, going down to the previous day's low. Look, imagine the market goes down to the previous day's low and then bounces. Like, come on, it's crazy. Imagine that.
That's crazy.
I actually won off the 61.8 today. Like I said, like I just told Sergio, I didn't do a limit order. So what I did was I waited till it ran past 61.8, and then I got in because I kind of like knew they were gonna play, like the market was gonna play some bull crap today. And then I got in like at 850 something, and it dropped all the way down to like 793, 98 or something like that. And tell me I'm trading on my phone. Yeah, I waited till it go. I ain't, like I said, I didn't set a limit order. I market ordered it. I wanted to front run it a little bit. I wanted to like get past, like shoot over, and then but tell me why I don't trade on my phone because I'm at work. Tell me why it wouldn't let me. It wouldn't let me close out my profit. I would have made more money. I had to like trade on trading view on my cell phone. I couldn't close the trade, so I had to log out of trade view. The trade still going. I had to log out of trade view to log back in. Just so happened I still was up like $100 and some. I really was up more than that. I was up almost $300 on it because it was like a 50-point trade, but I couldn't close the trade.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I had to log back out.
Oh shit. You was on your computer?
I'm trading on my cell phone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was on my cell phone. I'm gonna go get on my computer in a second. I'm almost done with my work. I'm gonna go get on my computer. I really ain't in a hurry to take another trade. I didn't took a winning trade for the day, so
Yeah, that's it.
said it was gonna have to be super perfect. Then I'm gonna go light.
Yep. I'm about to share my screen too, just so how Algorithmic was performing today. Performed very well. Let's go share screen. We're gonna share screen 1, and then we're gonna share.
Hey, you live in Boston, huh?
Yeah, I'm in Boston. Yes, sir.
Man, how y'all feel, man?
I mean, it's normal. We back to, at the end of the day, we back to normal. That's all.
Yeah, that's true. Though that's true.
That's it.
Look, man,
It's crazy.
I got some. You'll be amazed. Like I tell you all the time, I'm from a small town in Louisiana, right? So you'll be amazed how many of my homeboys are Patriot fans. I'm talking about die hard.
Good.
I'm talking about they die hard Patriot fans. Man. Yeah, way down here, it's crazy. You'll think that there'll be Saints fan or something close to even Texas. Nah, man, most of my partners, they call me all morning. What I tell you? We back, baby. They been calling me all morning. They been calling me all morning, man.
That's what it is.
Now I didn't know Boston was that beautiful. It might like I said on the TV last night as I was watching the game. and the game showed like a little sky cap like over the city of Boston. I was like, man, I gotta go there, bro.
Bro, it's you know what's so crazy? They kept showing these aerial footages of because Gillette Stadium is in Foxborough, which is like it's like 45 minutes outside of Boston. So so the Patriots don't even play.
That's what they
do not play in Boston. They play like 45 minutes outside of Boston. So it's so crazy that whenever like there's a game, whenever there's a Patriots game, they always show Boston. But obviously, Boston, we rep our team. That's still us. That's all New England. So they were, my crib was on the aerial view mad times. Like I'm watching the, how they always
for real
footages and shit, and they like right before a commercial break.
Yeah, that's what I seen. That's what I seen last night.
So that's they were showing my crib. Like my crib is
what
right
I seen
in the
last
middle
night.
of the
When they showed the little area.
Because I'm right next to TD.
I gotta. It's crazy. My girl last night, I said, "Oh man, I gotta pop that train with him," because they showing it on the TV, the area view, and me and her watching the game right before commercial, like you said. And I'm telling her, I said, "Man, I got a partner that I train with, man. We gotta go to Boston, babe." I'm telling her, we gotta go to Boston, man.
Yeah, bro. I'm literally looking at my crib on the thing. Like it's right there. It's like I'm right there. I took a picture and I sent it to somebody before the game even started, and because I got some people that like they never really been to Boston, but I'm cool with them and whatnot. So I sent them a picture like it's game time, and so there's a big State Street building, and at the time I took the picture. What they do is with the State Street, with the words on the top of the building, they can change the colors depending on what it is. So if it's Christmas, they might do it like red and green.
Yeah, got you.
But it was blue and red.
Do the Celtics play in Boston?
Yeah, the Celtics play. So I live next to where the Celtics play. The Celtics played next to my crib. You know what I'm saying? So
again, you had one that I couldn't hear you say.
The Celtics live next to my crib, like where they play. Like I can go outside my crib and walk into TD Garden.
That's crazy, man.
So yeah, I'm right there. So when they were showing the aerial footage, they showed TD Garden and my crib next to it. They showed everything. So I sent a picture. So I was out walking my dog, and I sent a picture of TD because I'm on the bridge. It's a nice view. I sent a picture of the garden. I sent a picture of State Street, and I sent the picture to my boy. So he was also watching the game. He was like, "Bro, you just sent me this picture like an hour ago." I'm like, "Yeah, bro, I'm here. I'm here."
That's crazy.
Yeah. So yeah, it's fire. Yeah, bro, it's cool. I love it. I love it. It's a good area, man. But yeah, as you were saying, how do I feel? I mean, I don't feel any. I mean, it's just we back. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm so used to this winning shit in Boston with the sports that when we're not winning is when it's when we don't feel right. Like I know there's other cities and states and whatever when their team is losing, that's normal for them. Like the Cleveland Browns and shit like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's normal for them. You're right. Yeah,
it's normal. But for us, if we're not in the playoffs, it's like, damn, what's going on? But then when we back, we back.
I feel like this, you know what I'm saying? Of course, y'all probably, won more than we did, but that's how I feel when we lost Drew Brees, bro. They were like, oh, man, that hurt, bro. Yeah. Bro. Because now we back to regular, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, damn, bro, we got to do something. But I think we finally found us something solid stuff, though. And hopefully, next 2 years, we'll be back in the thick of things.
Yeah, we got our guy back, man. We got Drake May, so he's our franchise quarterback. We good now.
Yeah, Drake the truth, man.
He good. I love it. I love it, bro. I love it. We here, man. We here. It's fire. We here, bro. And the Celtics too. Celtics doing good. We just lost to the Spurs off some BS, but it's cool. Oh, good.
Yeah, man. The Spurs don't look bad though, bro.
No, they don't.
I know the Spurs the only team that can get with the conference problem. They be beating the heck out of OKC.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yep. But yeah, man, that's what it is, man. How y'all how y'all end up trading today? Straight?
Yeah, man, I took that one trade, like I said, off that 61.8. But like I didn't put a limit order in. I waited till it like peak past it, like wick way past it. It wick like up until like the 50th, and I jumped in then. And I know Sergio kind of like jumped in like right at the 61.8, so I think he took a little drawdown or whatever. But yeah, man, I ended up taking that trade. It ended up working out for me. Like I said, I ain't in the hood to take another trade because I already won off one. So
Okay, let's go. Word. Well, yeah, I'll show y'all my trades I took today.
what you do? You took a trade today, Lou?
Yeah, I took. We trade every day. Every day. It just depending on the accounts I'm trading. So I've really been focused on my TPTs and my Buleys just to get these just to keep getting these dailies rolling. But so for me today was kind of light. As y'all know, algo starts at 9:30 in 5 seconds. Had I started it at 9:30, we could have had a monster here, but we didn't. We waited. The market, we got a pullback entry here. We had some slippage. The entry here, we ended up getting stopped out, break even, but we got in on the strengthening trade, and that took us where we needed to be. Got trailed out. Yeah, it kept going. That's fine. Golden ratio, we saw what happened. It dumped down, but didn't do too much. But we were out by then. Out of there when we needed to get out. Goal is 200. We made 250. We done. There are times where the goal is 200, but we make 950. Today we just made 250. We out. We done. All these other signals I don't care about. We already had our goal. It doesn't matter. That's how I see it. Next one. Let's look at some silver. Silver, same thing. Watching at 9:30. Let's watch for the signal. First signal with the trend, you could see that there was some slippage. We got it though. We got a target. From here to here, look at entry at 07, exit at 09. 2 seconds, $500. We done. Nothing else. Down.
Man, silver move like that? That's crazy.
Bro, silver moved like that, bro. Silver moved like that. Down.
Bruh.
Yeah, bro. Yes. I know.
Even the micro?
They don't got a lot of firms don't allow you to trade the micro.
Oh, certain firms don't allow. Okay, got it.
Yeah. So if you see YM trend short target done. All we going for we need 150, we got 170 done. And the thing is, I just want people to know, like, people like, oh Lou, you trade, you're always winning. Bro, I don't go for a lot, bro. Like I leave a lot on the table. Look at this trade I took. Entry, target. A lot was left on the table. I don't care about that.
Like you told me that they super scalper.
Yeah, bro. I don't even care about the rest of this move. So if this was 170, maybe that's 300, 450, 600, 800, that's a $900 move. I don't care. I got this. I'm done. So that's Dow. That's the YM. What else did we trade? We traded some gold, right? Let me bring the gold chart down. Same thing here with gold, bro. So with my data said to start this at 9:29 and 50 seconds. So that's what we did. We got in before the actual market open. Market open pulled it down some. We had a little pullback. We went short. We didn't quite get to our trail area, but guess what? We took the stop. So we were down. We took the stop. Then we went long on the trend. Another pullback. We got long on the pullback, got long on strengthening. Everything trailed out here. Ended up being positive green. So that's $43 per micro. 2 micros, you up 86. 3 micros, you up 1 whatever. 5 micros, you up whatever, 250 close. 1 mini, you up 430. So that's all that is. I got this trade in just that. Because I got it copied with some good accounts.
So you normally you don't trade all of your accounts at once. You just kind of like break them down.
Always. You will never see me trade everything at one time, unless and if you see me trading everything at one time, call the doctor. Call a doctor, bro. If you see me trading everything at one time, because at the end of the day, I've seen this has happened to me where my algos cause a ninja crash, and now my whole ninja shuts down. I'm in trades, it knocks off my targets and stops. I come back in, everything. I'm down 4,000 per account and all this stuff because I couldn't get back on the ninja for 20, 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying, or whatever the case is, or maybe my copier flip trade the wrong way. I got some accounts long, bruh. I will never trade everything at once. You will never see me do that. I see so many people online talking about, damn, I blew all 20 PAs. You're stupid, bro. Why are you trading everything at once? You never know.
20? Yeah, 20 is crazy.
Bro, people be trading like 45 accounts at once.
Oh my God.
And if you trade 45 accounts at once, you think that you are the market. There's no way I'm trading the 45 accounts at once. No way.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's a death sentence in the markets, bro.
That's crazy work.
Yeah, man, that's stupid. Very stupid. So, yeah, man. That's what it is, man. Like all these other moves, I don't care about. I care because my data said that I can go get my goal within X amount of time and be done. And,
right.
and my signals are most clean with the volatility. So short, stop, take. So two shorts, you can see how small these losses are. Look at this entry, 25.98.5. The exit is mad little. And then look at these targets, or look at these trails. So like that's why I like about this. It basically, so that's why you'll see if you ever see me with the algo, you'll see that it took this short. The stop might be way up here. The stop is just there just to be there, just so I can like see. But it'll take the loss at the break. So, but yeah, man, that's really it. I think everything green, which is nice on a Monday. And I don't even. That's it. That's all I need, man. I don't need nothing else. Also forgot to say 1 minute ORB did his thing. It's been a little rocky the past couple of weeks. Well, we're still green, but yeah, did his thing. Entry, target. And still going, still rocking.
Yeah, that 1 minute, because we've been getting so far away from the range. No matter what day it is, no matter what direction we go, it's been big openings lately, bro.
Yeah.
Like the first 1 minute candle be like 50 some points. That's crazy.
Yeah. But for me, I'll still take the trade, win or loss, because data says over time is cool. So I have this just on fully automated. So yeah, that's it, man. On that. Sir. Hold on a second, man. How you looking, fam?
I'm ready for the day.
Yeah, it's the way to be. To just you done?
So I bun off some accounts. I'm just waiting for this. If we get this 50 on the, not on the daily, but on just on this structure.
Perfect.
If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No rushing, nothing.
Yes, sir.
Order canceled.